So before this video gets started, please excuse how bad I sound because I was really sick when I was filming this, and also excuse how awful my hair looks. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mia, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to get this look here that I was inspired by an Instagram picture, and it's these really pretty sunset orangey purple eyes. And if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first gonna start off with a primer. I think for today, the primer that I want to use is the LA Girl Pro Prep primer. No, we're just gonna go with it. So that is the primer. I'm also going to spray my face a little with, my classic thick. It's already like thick and squishy. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Femme Matte and Poreless in the shade 122 Creamy Beige. This is not my shade, but it's super light. Okay, we're going to mix it in with something. You know what I'm mixing it in with? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna mix it in with my Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, which is literally like brown. We gotta take risks, and if this is too light, we'll do like some contouring. We'll start there, and we're just gonna work that in. Okay, so I finished blending out all my foundation. I'm now going to move on to concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige over my face. Or like where I want brightness. Brightness, that's the word, okay? I want to talk about something. So, it's really hard when you have like your favorite YouTubers. It's really hard to just like start watching somebody or like discover somebody that you really are interested in their videos, I found that somebody, okay? She's just so relatable and so funny, and I feel like if I met her, like we would be best friends. So the person I'm talking about is friggin' Emma Chamberlain. Emma Chamberlain, if you ever discover this video, like, I just want you to know that you are truly an inspirational icon, and that just really makes me laugh, with my sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out. I've been really wanting to post one of these tutorials for a while now. I just didn't know what I wanted it to on. I didn't know if I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, which I knew I kind of didn't want to do because, why would I support something that has never supported me, It's not even like being single, being single sucks, like, no. Like, there's those moments where you see couples and you're like, dang, like, they're cute, Such as, okay, no examples right now, okay? But, like, I get those moments, but it just, like, makes you think, like, wouldn't it be nice for them to get you, like, just one little stuffed animal, like, just one stuffed animal, or, like, a little, like, the tiniest dollar chocolate from the dollar store, and take the time out of their day to do something for you because they love you. Which, I'm fine with, like, been a single Pringle since, like, let me think, the day I was born. I'm gonna move on to my, like, cream contour. I hate this part. Like, I love the concealer, like, for my under eye color, but I hate the cream, like, the for contouring. Like, I can't even buff it out. But you know what? We're gonna go for it. And if it turns out sucky, well, then we're gonna have a sucky video. Okay? Oh my god, bad idea. Was this a bad idea? Nah. Oh my god, it looks like somebody grabbed poo and wiped it across my face. And now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, which I'm really looking forward to, because if you didn't know, I hauled this in my What I Got for Christmas 2017 video. Check that video out if you haven't watched it yet. And I haven't really gotten to play around with it as much as I wanted to. We're going to use it to recreate this Instagram look that I found on all, like, probably won't put it here, but like I'll insert a clip. I'm using more of the pinks and purples in this palette, and then we're gonna be using like more of the orangey tones in this palette. This is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. Anyways, we're gonna be using more of like this orangey and maybe a little bit of the cranberry shades. So I'm first gonna like set down an all over base shade, like all over lid shade. So I'm gonna take brush right here and just like dust off the powder. I'm keeping the powder underneath my eyes in case I get any fallout, so it'll catch my eyeshadow. I think for that I'm gonna use the My Little Pony because it has a nice like white shade right here. We're just gonna like pat that all over the lid to make it easy for our shadows to really blend out to their best abilities. I'm a real beauty guru. I like stuff, girl. Like, okay, I'm gonna go into this orangey color here in my Morphe palette, like the middle orange color. But yeah, I'm gonna take that with this brush here. But this is just like a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna really work that into the crease. Okay, so as you can see, that brought a lot of like warmth into my eyes. Now I think in the look she had really orange like inner corners and outer V's. Seeing this really pale peach color in the My Little Pony palette. It's gonna pop that in there too. And now I'm going to take this color in the Morphe palette, this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the outer V and then work it into the inner corner area. We're just gonna pad that in there. Okay, now I'm gonna use a smaller, more like still fluffy, but like smaller brush. I'm gonna take that same orangey color and put it more into the inner part of my eye. And now on the outer part of my eye, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is more brown, but still has like really orangey tones in it. And I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna pack that on the ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, I love how this is turning out. Even if it doesn't turn out exactly the way that hers does, I'm not even mad because I love like warm orangey looks. So like I'm not even complaining about this right now. Just blend it all out. Okay, so in the like center of her eye, it's like purple, like straight up a good purple. So I'm gonna take a mixture of like this pink color, and I'm just gonna like pack that in the center of the lid. And I'm just gonna place it right straight up in the center. Blend it outward on each side. Okay, so I'm gonna do more of like a cut crease type of look. So I'm gonna take some concealer, but I'm just gonna use the leftover foundation that I have. And I'm gonna place it right in. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Yes! This is sorry, I get like really excited over like makeup and stuff. Because that's just like who I am. Taking that matte color again. I'm really just packing that on the lid to really set it. Do you see how much more pigmented that is? If James Charles could see me now. It looks a little harsh, but we're gonna blend out the edges, so don't worry. Girl, this is looking so good. Okay, so now she put like a really purplier color, and so I'm gonna take this color here, and I'm gonna put that in right on top and actually like fade it out a little. Yeah. So it's not gonna be a purple, it's gonna be more like a pink, magenta. Okay, and now my favorite part probably is the glitter make this look. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna do like some finishing little blend touches. I'm gonna take a like shader brush, like this one. I'm gonna just like wet it. I'm taking this purple color. We might just have to use our finger, guys. Oh, honey, 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 honey. I'm gonna take the brush that we used to pack on that matte shade, and I'm gonna spray that instead because it's a little more dense, so, or like fluffy, so it'll pack it on. Sorry, this needs like full concentration right now. Oh my gosh. Can we just like, oh my god, like let's just take a moment. Like this is probably the best look I've ever done. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off the bake and we can move on to, okay, I'm gonna finish off with like the rest of my face first. Like my contour and stuff. With my favorite brush here, angled. And I'm gonna take the middle and the dark shade. Now for blush, I haven't gotten to use this blush. It is like a really pretty peachy color. Okay, so I'm gonna like melt all those powders into my face. To highlight, for highlight today, I've been using a certain highlight I've been really liking, but today I'm gonna use a different one. I'm gonna use the Kylie Salted Caramel Pressed Illuminating Powder. I'm using her fan brush, and I'm just gonna spray that too. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, yes. Gonna blend the highlight in. Okay, now we're gonna do the lower lash line. Really just milk it out. Okay, and I'm gonna use the same Kylie highlight to do my inner corner highlight. And I'm just gonna use this brush. Again, I'm gonna wet it. Shut up. Oh my god. Where did I just put it? Do you see how my inner corners have never been more blinding in their entire lives? So I don't really do anything with my eyebrows, but I feel like we should do something with them today since this glam look is so glam. I'm just gonna like lightly fill the big Lancome a little palette here. I'm taking the darkest shade. It's eyeshadow, so we gotta use our resources, kids. So I filled in my brows a little bit and I just like set them with clear brow gel. Now we're gonna move on to the lips because I want to save the lashes for like the very last part because that part is what I'm really excited for, even though it can mess up or ruin the whole look. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. lip. I think it's like the tinted lip oil in Mocha Kiss. Oh yeah. So I got the lash glue. This is the Duo eyelash adhesive, but this one I have tried with these exact lashes and it was just an iconic duo. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna squirt this on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna like dip it in. And we're gonna pop it on. You don't understand how nerve-wracking this is. Yeah, like it's on. Yeah, okay, we did one lash. I'm gonna like get my eyelash things. I'm gonna put mascara on them. I'm gonna use the Lash Princess mascara by Essence. Mascara's so long. And I'm gonna go on my lashes. The fake ones. Oh my god, yes. So guys, this is the finished look. The lashes, these were a struggle, okay, but like, oh my god, I love how this look turned out. Yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this glam makeup tutorial. I think this is my most favorite look that I've ever done, and if you guys want to see more glam tutorials from me, then make sure to comment down below and also give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm so happy with how this look turned out. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Cause ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me, ain't nobody like me.